Okay, so today we've released a new feature for time slot event types called VIP events. So with this feature, customers who are marked as VIPs will be able to see certain events that are added as VIP events, that are VIP event types. So to do that, you go into your event types, you click on edit, you scroll down here and you turn on make this VIP only event. So you just click on that and you save. And now when you add this event in your calendar and it gets added, only customers, so you click on the drop down here, you click on my customers, only customers who are marked as VIPs will be able to see the VIP events. These customers will also be able to see the general public events, but they will also be able to see all events that are marked as VIP. So customers that are not VIP will not see the VIP events. Thank you.